Have you ever wondered who's behind the cyber threats that loom over our digital infrastructure or the digital world? Today, let's go ahead and dive deep into the attributes of these actors behind these threats, and they could be both internal or external. Stay with me and let's unravel this cybersecurity mystery together. Now, in the realm of cybersecurity, threats come from all directions. But who are these actors? Let's break them down into two main categories: internal and external. Internal actors are those within your organization, and they can be disgruntled employees, they can be negligent staff, or even someone with malicious intent. They are trusted with access to sensitive information, and this exactly can be a double-edged sword. Their motivations can vary from financial gains to personal vendettas or simply a lack of awareness about security protocols. Now, pause for a moment. Can you think of any recent incident in the news or maybe internal within your organization where an internal actor was involved? Reflect on the impact it had. Now, putting a spotlight on external actors. That means we are stepping outside the organization and hunting for those external actors whom we call as hackers. They could be state-sponsored groups, or it could be competitive companies as well. External actors often have a high level of sophistication and an array of methods at their disposal. They got the funding as well. Their goals range from financial gain to espionage or even causing disruption. Understanding the attributes of these actors helps in identifying and mitigating the risks, and hence it is paramount that you go ahead and implement strong security protocols that will foster a culture of awareness. Remember that human element is often the weakest link in cybersecurity. We need to understand these attributes of internal and external actors. And the day you do so, you will be one step ahead in protecting and strengthening your defenses. I'm going to now share some of the real incidents that have happened in the past as a result of internal and external threat actors. Thank you.